All right, Rob Fraser here. Going to do this fifth time. Infinity traffic boost. Basically, just logging in. Select all images with the bus. So this is going to be kind of a getting started video for people who just have joined me. The whole purpose of this whole funnel, Infinity traffic boost, leads, leap, and cash juice, is a simple way to do easy, simple steps that anybody can do to start generating daily Bitcoin. And you don't have to worry about, you don't have to have a wallet, don't have to have anything. This is scratch, nothing. So basically, you create your free account, Infinity Traffic Boost, you log in, you can click on that little lady, the little avatar, to listen to some updates or whatever, or you can click that X to get out of there. This right here is the dashboard, the back office. This is where you find all your information, community updates, Facebook group, Telegram channel. Highly suggest getting plugged in. Infinity Traffic Boost is one of those programs that it's a little bulky at first, but the more you use it, the more you'll kind of fall in love with it. And it's been around for 7, 8 plus some odd years. So anyways, also before I get into this, also at the top here, this little hamburger looking thing, you click on that, it'll basically give you tasks to complete. And as you can see, I still have to complete my first task. I did everything else except set up my text ads. But it'll give you the rundown, and everything's very systematic and in order. So those tasks, it'll show you different things you need to do. That other little purple bell is notifications. That little green thing is emails. Now, when you join me, you'll get an email through this thing from me. And you can just simply respond through this little email portal here. So keep that in mind. And you also get emails from the company. So scrolling down, you'll see I'm a tier 4 advertiser. I surfed 3 pages today. Basically, every single day you're supposed to surf at least 10. And you can see that where it says surf pages. Also, reading the little email messages. It says mailer, read, boost, activated. Basically, you read one of these emails, and I'll show you exactly how that works. Because you read the emails, they're advertisements from other members, and then you can send your email advertisement out to other members. So it works. It's like a traffic exchange and a mailer all in one. So basically, every single day, you can earn shares of Bitcoin just simply by surfing. And it's not crazy, ridiculous numbers. It's very sustainable. You see right here, time left to earn shares today, 3 hours, 33 minutes, 13 seconds. This is a little countdown. I earned 8 shares yesterday. Every time you surf 10 ads, you'll earn 1 share. Every time your people below you surf 10 ads, you'll get a portion of a share. And you can see where it says share value history. The share value history is very realistic, very sustainable. It's not, you're not going to get rich off of this, but the more people you have surfing, the more of these little satoshis you get. The more satoshis you get, the more your account will continue to grow and compound. I probably shouldn't say that word because that's like a keyword, compound. It's not one of those things at all. It's just different rewards you get. And then you can use those rewards to buy what's called TPO, traffic package options, I think it's what it's called. But let's not focus on that. The only thing you really have to do is surf 10 ads, at least 10 ads every single day, and then you'll start earning. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. You can do that right here. Exchange pages surf today. You click on that little green thing, or you can go up here on this upper left here. You see this hamburger looking thing at the top, not the little silver one, but this other blue one. You click on that, and it'll go down the line. You click on start here, click on how it works. It'll give you a full rundown. Same thing on the dashboard. You get into the Facebook group and all that information. It also has a little live chat. Like every time I come in here, I find some new stuff. You click on that little orange thing and like a live chat thing will pop up. And I suggest just coming back here and just kind of perusing. That's a big fancy word. Just go through everything. But to surf to ads, you go down here to traffic exchange. You can click on how it works, FAQ, TPOs. But the biggest thing is just click on surf pages and it'll have a little warning, provide little things. Sometimes you got to select stairs and blah, 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 do the little puzzle, click start surfing. And basically it's like 15 seconds a site. Unless you have country bumpkin Wi-Fi, it'll be like 30, 45 seconds a site. Not really. But anyways, so here you can see up at the top it says today's page is 3. However many credits I earned. Click the orange box. Click on the orange box. Click on continue surfing. And you just do that at least 10 times. Once you do that 10 times, it'll say you have earned a share. And that's what I was talking about on the previous screen. So I'm not going to sit here and surf the whole thing. I'm going to click on this top left where it says return to dashboard and click on the little infinity traffic boost little logo there. Down here with the message center, basically, I'm going to show you what that is. It's just email messages. You click on them, and then it's advertisements from other members. But when you click on one, you have to read the email, but you'll get credits and you can send out your email. And you do get responsive leads. I've sent out one of these ads, not a whole lot of clicks, but I've gotten a whole lot of leads. So the people who use this site are very much into it, and it's not one of those watered down traffic exchanges or mailers. So I'm gonna just click on that little. You see, I'm trying to make it bigger without messing up what I'm at. You see right there it says click on green box. Just simply same thing like the traffic exchanges, and then once you're done with that, it says click here to go to the message center. That means you're just going right back to where you were before. And you can see that little message is kind of highlighted. So I'm going to click on a hamburger at the top left. I'm going to click on get exposure. This is where you promote your pages. You do everything. You can click on affiliates. You click on referrals. You also have an option to pay it forward for referrals. Not going to get too into the weeds because I want to kind of keep this as a basic getting started video. So the biggest thing is just to surf your 10 ads a day and read at least one of those little emails every single day. I mean, that's what I do. And it's, as you can see, since I've been a member, surfed 11,988 pages. That's only surfing 20 pages every single day. Let me click on how it works here for a second. What the overall idea is, when you get in here, you can advertise your website, and we have a particular system. We promote Infinity Traffic Boost, Leads Leap, and a Cash Juice plan. Basically, very simple plan. And the whole idea is to get started earning daily Bitcoin. So the idea, you see these TPOs, traffic package options. Basically, these are the whole point, or the whole idea is to start. You can start for very, very cheap. This TPO one is like $2-3 I don't even think it's that much, but it depends on the price of Bitcoin. But as you purchase the TPO, you don't necessarily have to look at and surf the ads every single day. I do because I like to keep the habit. But the whole idea is to use your daily shares and the commissions from people below you purchasing these TPOs to go all the way up to TPO 11. Once you get to TPO 11, you do not ever need to spend money ever again on this website, because you will be qualified at the highest level. You won't have to surf your ads. And if you get referrals, all you have to do is take all of those commissions and just use them for whatever it is you want to do. A lot of these other websites will constantly have you putting money in. Here, you can put a tiny little bit of Skrilla in down here to get started, or you can surf 10 ads every single day. Sign up other free members. They can surf 10 ads every single day. And eventually you'll have enough to just go ahead and start purchasing your way up this ladder without using any of your money at all. But I highly suggest, if you know about Bitcoin, you know how it works. Excuse me. And you can use other cryptocurrencies as well. I'm just using Bitcoin because it's listed here, but you can use Litecoin. I think there's quite a few other ones. But the whole idea is to go up to TPO 11. And once you get to there, and that's a nice chunk of change for TPO 11. But once you're there, you no longer ever have to put any more money in, and you'll be at the highest level. And all the money you make within a system, you simply withdraw. Me, I'm currently at the TPO 4 level. This company's been around 7 years. It ain't going anywhere. The guys are very mathematical and, kind of dry, kind of like myself, but this thing's been around for 7+ years and still going stronger. So, one other thing I want to go here before this video is too long is, let's see, traffic exchange by TPOs. That's the traffic package option. You see this little guy running up the stairs in the center of the screen. Here's what will tell you all about it, how much they cost, and of course, as I'm doing a video, I have to cough. Try not to. So, you see right here, you could add to cart. You can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Tron, or Doge. Now, you see this down here where it says add to cart, ITB funds. Let me scroll up here because I think I have enough Bitcoin in my account. I could actually click on TPO2 and use that to buy one of these TPOs. When you buy the lower TPOs, to stay qualified to earn commissions, you have to, so for example, this first one, it only lasts for like a month. I don't even think about that. The second one lasts for a little bit longer, but when you get all the way up here to TPO 11, it lasts basically for your lifetime. So hopefully that makes sense. But this is just to show you that these TPOs is where you make the money. These traffic package option, TPO 1, 1,000 advertising credits, TPO 2, 2,100, TPO 3. You get more credits, and those credits is basically people surfing, coming across your ad in the traffic exchanges, and you can use those credits for your text ad. Like I said in the beginning, I still have to set up my text ad. Your website, your capture pages, and if you're following my system, we have a simple capture page that we use here. We promote it here and on Leads Leap. But yeah, it's all about surfing your daily ads, checking out that daily email, and upgrading your TPO all the way up to TPO 11. And again, once you get to that point, you see how much it is, about $1,800. It's really not that expensive. I mean, it depends, but the whole point is you don't have to start there. Come up here, $2.31 for TPO 1. And then when your referrals come and they buy TPO 1, you'll get a commission. Now, you'll get 80% commission or 20% commission. 80% commission if you own that TPO level or above, and 20% commission if you don't. So I'm a TPO 4, and if someone comes in and buys TPO 7, I'm only getting 20% of that 115.18 instead of 80%. So, any which ways, wrapping this video up, name's Fraser. Link for the funnel we're using will be below this video. Hopefully this helps you get started. And again, go through the information, go through the Facebook group, get in a Telegram group, and we'll see you in the next one.